Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special papaya stir fry recipe. This recipe is very famous in South India, usually served along with rice. Just give it a try. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait until it splutter. Then add 3 chopped garlic cloves and cook for a minute. Then add 20 chopped shallots, 2 slit green chillies, half teaspoon salt, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame until shallots become soft. Then keep it low flame and we can add the masalas. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now we can add 2 cups of papaya cut into small pieces like this. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 3 minutes, we can open the lid. Stir it well, then without closing the lid, cook for 2 minutes to remove excess water. Now we can switch off the flame. Our special papaya stir fry recipe is ready. This recipe is very famous in South India, usually served along with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.